In today's video, I'll show you how to set up payments on Shopify quickly and easily. This beginner-friendly Shopify tutorial will walk you through each step, so you can confidently manage transactions on your online store. Whether you're new to Shopify or simply want to optimize your payment setup, this guide will make the process smooth and straightforward. To get started, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control center of your store, where you manage everything from products to finances. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings section, you'll find several configuration options. Locate and click on Payments, which is where you control how customers pay on your store. This section allows you to manage and customize your payment methods based on your business needs. Inside the Payments area, you'll see multiple options available. Shopify offers its own built-in solution called Shopify Payments, which is fully integrated with your store. Using Shopify Payments makes transaction management easier and often comes with benefits such as competitive processing rates and no extra transaction fees beyond standard payment processing. If Shopify Payments doesn't meet your specific requirements, you also have the option to choose from a wide range of third-party payment gateways. These gateways allow you to cater to different customer preferences and regions. Keep in mind that each third-party provider may have its own setup instructions and associated fees, so it's important to choose the option that best aligns with your business goals and customer convenience. Once you've selected your preferred payment method, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. The steps may vary slightly depending on the provider, so be sure to have any required account details or documentation ready. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!